Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everything else, it is hotter than hell out here right now. It's like 90-some degrees. So, which tractor do you think I'm going to choose to go mow hay? Eeny, meeny, miny. I always choose the cab tractor. Yep. I would choose that thing, but I don't. I was unhooking the bush hog, and that's a negatory. So, tether all that hay. There's like 35-40 acres back there. It's the tobacco farmers who I'm talking about. So they've got the tractors. They're just using our equipment, and we'll roll it for them. Which it should be ready. Some of it should be ready to roll tomorrow if they get it tethered up tonight. And yeah, get it tethered and 60. Guess he's gonna go get it ready for wheat. Now make sure that's the right combination. I believe this is 6 acres. It's a 6-acre hay field. That is the old alfalfa field. If y'all remember back earlier in my YouTubing career, that was our old alfalfa field, and now it's a crop field. So, but we kept this hillside here in hay because it would just wash if it was crop. And we got a good stand of clover on this field, and some blade grass. I mean, if I had to put some money on it, I probably would bet we were going to be square baling this. We square baled too low. We square baled about 250 square bales on the first cutting this year. And if I was a betting man, I bet we'll be square baling at least a load off of this. Depends on how freaking hot it gets, honestly. If it's gonna stay in the 90s, we may just roll bale it.
Rain is all the time. They have them spinners still turning. We have to get in there and get this.